What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Closet Nerds, and we are back with another video. And today we are working on the Pepper Potts Rescue Bot. And quick, forgive me. I have a habit of starting on something without, the camera and everything rolling. But basically, to get the kinks out from up there, I throw down the wood filler. Simple, sandable, no problem. And I always start with 220 sand grit, as you can see. But I work my way down to a 150, then to a 120. Then I hit it with a nice coat of primer. And then I start back at 320 and then work my way up from there. But enough of the nonsense, the babbling. Let's get to it. What kind of colors are we looking at today? As you can see, the primer. Gonna hit it with a nice gloss black. This is gonna be my base coat. It's gonna be my base coat for the day. And as you can see, we're gonna go with a metallic gold for the faceplate. And for the finale, I love this. I love the way this looks. So I'm gonna play around with it. This is a dopey color shift from purple to blue. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna finish sanding this down. Be right back. Well, guys, as you can see, right now I'm at the 120. And it's looking pretty okay for now. And you want it to look as good as possible before you hit it with that primer, and that's what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for a nice and smooth texture. Like I say, stick with me. I'm gonna hit it with that filler primer in a minute. Okay, guys, this is the part where I gotta get a little bit quiet because I'm about to hit it with the Bondo primer, but I got to put my mask on. It's kind of hard for you guys to hear me because when I put it on, it sounds like I'm underwater or scuba diving. So just work with me. So this is how we're looking right now. Gonna let that dry for a little bit. It dries fast. Hold on 1 second. So you guys can hear me a lot better, right? All right. So this is how we're looking right now. I'm gonna sand it down once it dries a little bit more. Try to get it as smooth as possible once again. And stick with me. I'll be right back. Now, as you can see, I started sanding again, this time with the 320. So like I said, we're gonna try to work our way out of this. We're gonna try to make it smooth as possible, people. I want you to bear with me. Like this side I started on, you can see, let's clean it up with a little dust, but I'm gonna continue. And as you can see over here, where I need to hit, all over here. And let's not forget the top, the back and everything. I just want you guys to, see the process. Stick with me. Finally, after hours of sanding, I got it as smooth as I would like it. So, let's hit it with this for the base coat. Sorry, mask on. All right. Holy crap. That is a nice. Okay, quick update. I made a huge mistake. I over sprayed that gloss black, and I had to redo it. So I lightly hit it with another primer just now, and I'm gonna hit it with the black gloss again, but I'm not gonna do it as much because it was running like crazy. But give me a few. We'll be back. All right, guys, here's where we tape it up so I can hide the pieces that I don't want gold. And I grab my X-Acto knife, as you can see. And I'm just gonna trim along here and clean all of that up. I'll let you know how it looks in a second. And this is what I was talking about as far as the cleanup. As you can see, I'm gonna get the X-Acto knife and get a nice cut. But enough about that. Put the mask on. Okay, as you can see, we got it. So we're gonna peel this back like so. Wait a second. What am I doing? Pretty good, right? Not bad at all. But we still gotta get more tape. All right, now that we got it the way we like it, let's get to the magic, people. Like I say, safety first. Mask on. Glasses. Take it all up. I gotta take you on. right, guys, here's the last part. What I need to do is test this out. And future references, do this first before painting. The mask is great. Like I said, I gotta finish that up. But let's test this out. Make sure the battery pack's running. Okay. So this is my hinge kit. Okay. All right. So let me put this in, grab the lights, and be right back. Well, guys, this is how it turned out. As you can see, I hit it with the two-tone. Hold on, let me see something. As you can see, it goes like a little purple, plus blue effect now. I'm gonna bring it to the light so you guys can actually see. And this right here is from Crashworks 3D. It's pretty much plug and play for the whole motorized kit. As you can see, I just tap these two wires together. And boom. And it works just like that. But I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the light so you can actually see the paint. Give me one sec. And just like that, we are pretty much done. That is a nice gloss. I'm trying to get the purple angle, but well. Okay, guys, there it is. The color shift I was looking for. As you can see, you see it? Pretty nice, right? All right, now like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.